Orange Electronic. Today we are introducing our new revolutionary sensor mounting tool, the Cobra-2K. Here's John to tell you more.
Data from auto manufacturers tells us that 10 to 15% of snap-in valves will leak after installation, even if proper installation procedures are followed. Here's the traditional tool that most tire stores are using to install snap-in sensors. This kind of tool actually tears the rubber valve, and you will not notice it because the damage is so tiny, and it is covered by the rim. The way the traditional tool works is to attach and pull the rubber valve through the rim. This is an improper installation method, as people have to make sure they do not pull the valve stem too hard. However, it is difficult to make sure everyone pulls it through with the same consistency and pressure every time. Technicians can easily pull valve stems too hard, causing unseen damage and leaks. This leads to unhappy customers returning to the tire store, costing additional time and money to solve the customer's problem. Technicians already know this, but up until now there has been no better alternative. We at Orange Electronic have heard this need and have developed the Cobra-2K, a tool to install snap-in sensors quickly and correctly, eliminating the concern for leaks. With the new Cobra-2K, technicians can install sensors correctly by pushing the sensor body and screw head without damaging the rubber valve stem or core. We have interchangeable holders to fit all existing makes of snap-in sensors. At Orange Electronic, we are constantly focused on innovation and improvement to satisfy the needs of our customers. Orange Electronic is your one-stop solution for all your TPMS needs.